Did you know, just in a year, AI tools completely changed the way we program today. Nowadays, with AI tools that are available today in the market, it's possible by using natural language to create full stack application and deploy it on the live server. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about tool that could help you to do that. It's mind-blowing, but it's possible. Hey guys, my name is Vlad. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy to see all of you today. I'm really sorry about my voice. I'm feeling not so well, but I don't want to cancel my video. So I decided to record it even in this condition. In today's video, we're gonna talk about Replit. Replit is a groundbreaking platform that could help non-programmers programmers collaborate together and create something much faster than it was before. Whether you're experienced developer or completely beginner, I recommend you to take a look at Replit. And in today's video, I'm going to show you top functions of Replit, and I will show you how to use Replit Agent. It's a new thing from Replit, and it's really cool one. If you're ready, then let's get started. So what is Replit? It's an online coding platform where you can write and run code in many programming languages right from the browser. It is IDE in the cloud with AI-powered software development and deployment features. It has a lot of different functionality and probably is really interesting for pair programming. You can code alone or with your friends or coworkers. Replit has other collaborative features that could be useful. You can share your project progress in one click, so the person who will review it don't have to set up anything on their computer. They will be able to see everything live. Another cool stuff is that Replit supports different AI models. You can write, debug, and complete your code with AI assistant just by using natural language. Replit also has a bunch of templates that you can use for your project. You don't have to start your development from scratch. You can use existing templates. Another cool feature that makes Replit stand out is deployment. With a couple of clicks, you can deploy your application, and it will be available to everyone. You can start with Replit for free, but it will be really limited to functionality, so I suggest you to try Replit Core. It will cost you $25 a month, or if you subscribe for 1 year, it will cost you $10 per month. Okay, let's try to use Replit. First of all, you need to open the replit.com website and then sign up. You can sign up with your Google or GitHub account or with your email. And after a few seconds, you will be redirected to the homepage of Replit. It is your main dashboard where you will be able to see all of your projects and deployments. A project in Replit called repo is equal to repository in GitHub, so all your repos will be here. Since Replit support deployment, you will be able to see all your deployments here. So basically, it's similar to hosting. All the project that you host with Replit, you will be able to see here. It's possible to host here full stack application, backend and frontend at the same time. Replit support multiple framework and languages: JavaScript, Vine, React, Angular, Flask, Python, and so on. In the usage section, you will be able to see your current plan and all your usage information. You can control your expense on this page. Like I said previously, Replit has a bunch of different templates. You can explore all of them in Templates tab. You can see a bunch of different languages, frameworks, and tools that you can use inside Replit. There are a lot of things. If you feel that current functionality is not enough for you, then you can use extensions. There are a bunch of different extensions that you can use inside Replit. All of them you can explore in the extensions page. There are multiple ways how you can create your REPL. You can use create REPL button, or you can use agent. If you are using free account, you don't have access to agent yet. You will need to create REPL manually. Once you click create REPL button, you will be able to select language or templates, and then you can decide if your project will be public or private. I'll try to create Next.js project, because it's modern technology and I would like to see how Replit could handle it. Let's give to my project name my first Next.js and click Create Repo button. It will take less than 1 minute before you see the project. And from this page, you will be able to control your code base, deployment, and everything about your project. If you click Run button, you will start your project. Let's try. It start building my Next.js project, and let's see the result. Okay, seems our project is started, and this is the result. We can see the preview at the right-hand side, but we also can open it in a new tab. Let me try, and this is my project in the new tab. Cool, seems everything is working well. And this is my Next.js project on Replit. At the left sidebar, we will see our code base. If you press Ctrl K, you will see additional menu where you can work with AI assistant or turn off and turn off different tabs. You can stop the project, you can invite friends, you can search for files, and so on. Let me try to adjust my project a bit, for we can explore multiple functionality of Replit. What I'm going to do, I will use generative AI to ask Replit to add certain functionality to this page. For example, I want to add the button login, and only after click that button, I want to display the content of the page. So let's try. I will use Ctrl K command and use generative AI. Let me add this prompt here. Add the user login before they can see the content. Once you finish your prompt, press enter to submit it. And here we go. This is the suggestion from the Replit. Unfortunately, in this instance, you have to understand the code because it didn't put it into the right places. Let me adjust the code a little bit and see if the functionality is working properly. Here now we can see our login button. Let me open the application in the new tab and see the result. Okay, our login button is here. Let me click it and voila, we see our content. So everything is working. Once you're satisfied with the result, you can invite your friends or colleague to see the application. On the free account, you are really limited. You can invite just one member. And if you want to deploy your application, you also have to update your plan. On the free plan, you can deploy only static website. As you could see, there is some benefits of using Replit because you don't have to set up your local environments. Also, you can invite your colleague to work on the application with you. You can use AI to assist you with the coding. However, it's still a little bit complicated for non-programmer to do that. That's why I would like to show you another way how you can create REPL by using Replit Agent. To do that, first of all, you need to upgrade your plan. Okay, I've upgraded my plan. Right now I am on Replit Core, and this plan is enough to explore all the functionality of Replit. There are actually two reasons to upgrade your plan. First is a deployment, and second is a Replit agent. Both of these functionality allow non-developers deploy and build the application. And I'm going to show you how it's easy to create application and then deploy your application without writing any code. I'm going to use some ideas from Replit. We will create statistical significant calculator. So this is my prompt. So I will ask Replit Agent to create this application. It will be web application where we will have the data about our A/B test, and our calculator will count statistical significance. It could take a couple of minutes to create the application. For me, it actually took almost 15 minutes and then it just hang. So I decided to don't wait and use the chat instead. I will write my prompt in the agent window at the right-hand side. You could use exactly the same prompt as in the previous step. And once you're ready, click enter. At the first step, agent will thinking, and then it will show you what it's going to build. At this step, you can build initial prototype, and you will be able to select different functionality for your application that agent suggested. You can accept suggestion by clicking checkbox or leave them empty. After that, click Approve Plan, and then AI will start building for your application. The cool thing is you will be able to see all of the steps in the main window. You can see what actually is happening on the screen, what language it uses, what file is created, what packages it's installed, and so on. Once it's finished prototype, you will be able to check the result, and the AI agent will ask you to check it first. So this is my result. Let's try to enter some data and click Calculate button. The application looks really simple and cool, and this is my result. Seems the calculator is working correctly. It shows some data about our calculation and then graphs and show the result with the explanation. If you are happy, you can say AI to continue. Build the rest of the application. After each iteration, AI will ask you to check the result, and if something don't work, you can adjust it. Once it's finished all the steps, you will be able to do final check, and then you can deploy your application into production. All you need to do, just click this simple button, Deploy, then select Deployment Type, and click Setup Deployment. On the Deployment tab, you will be able to select the configuration for your application and see the estimate cost per month. You can use subdomain name from Replits, or you can set up your custom domain name. Once you're happy with the settings, click Deploy button. Deployment could take up to 10 minutes, so be patient. But once it's finished, you will be able to see your application and the URL that you can use to check your application. My deployment is finished, and let's check my application. So this is my subdomain name. If I open this domain name, I will be able to see my statistical significance calculator. If you want to set up custom domain name for your application, then click Deployment and then select Settings. Then click on Link Custom Domain Name. Write down desired domain name and then click Next. And then put DNS records into your domain name provider, and that's it. In this settings menu, you also have the ability to manage your deployment. You can pause it, change deployment type, or even shut down. If you want to stop deployment billing of your application, then you need to shut down. Let me stop my application. I click Shutdown, and yes, delete my deployment. And that's it. Then my application will be shut down, and I don't have to pay for the hosting anymore. To avoid unexpected billing, I recommend you to set up limitation, just in case your application will consume more than you think. To do that, at the left sidebar, click Usage. At the top section, Billing Overview. At the Payment column, click Manage. Then at here, set up your limit, for example, monthly usage limit. Or you can set up $10, for example, and click Save. Then close it, and you finish with your setup. In this instance, you don't have to worry if your application will consume more than it's allowed it. It's a simple thing, but really, really important. That's it. I hope you like this video. I hope you find it useful. If yes, please click like. If no, please click like, but share your feedback in the comments below. Watch my other videos, especially about Cursor AI or Project IDX. They are really cool. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you so much. Bye.